Hi, my name is Dexter Rodrigues, and I am a trainer, speaker, coach, educator, and therapist. And I've been practicing NLP since the year 2015. And I intended to attend this workshop because I wanted to learn more about the nuances of NLP in the lines of work that I do. And I thought this was the perfect opportunity. And I'd heard so much about Dr. Doris, about her knowledge, about her experience from a lot of NLP leaders in the industry, that I decided to join this course. Also, what I really appreciated was the level of support, the level of mentoring that I received from Dr. Doris herself directly prior to starting the course. So that gave me a lot of reassurance that this is the right course for me. So what can you expect from this course? One thing that stands out is the presence of Dr. Doris. So right from the beginning of day 1 till the end of day 3, she is very committed and focused to delivering the learns of the workshop. So as a participant, you will never feel left out. Your opinion will always be heard, and you will always get the opportunity to voice your questions, to voice your concerns, challenges, queries, and she is always at hand to answer them. In fact, her presence is very intuitive, and she is able to read between the lines. Through her years and years of experience, she's developed that skill, and that is truly appreciable. Another standout feature of Dr. Doris' training is the fact that she begins each day with a story which is linked to the purpose of the training for that day. So every day is an adventure. Every day is filled with activities, with new learnings, and she was able to also deliver a lot of NLP technical knowledge that will add value to your skills as a trainer and as a speaker. One of the key takeaways is to be able to live your authentic self by harnessing the power of neuro-linguistic programming. And it was very exciting for me as an NLP practitioner to deep dive into the knowledge, or the vast pool of knowledge that is Dr. Doris. And for that, I am eternally grateful. I am also happy to share that I used her techniques and her activities in the workshops that I conducted, and my participants lapped it up. They were excited, they used it, and it was effective. So I am very happy that I attended this workshop, and I am very confident that if you attend this workshop, the one on Excel as a corporate trainer and speaker, you will definitely learn a lot of skills, tools, and techniques that will enhance the quality of your training and speaking. So thank you so much, Dr. Doris, for your magnanimous generosity in sharing your knowledge that has truly made a difference in my life and the lives of so many people. Thank you once again.